Want to get tips and advice to stay safe and improve your experience using the TikTok app? TikTok has now made it easier to get this information directly from them. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to get tips and advice from TikTok. Now let's get started. Recently, TikTok's internal team started a new page on the app called TikTok Tips, where they share information and tips to promote privacy, safety, and positive vibes on the app. If you open TikTok and search for TikTok Tips, you should see the page appear as the first result. Some of their posts include reminders to take breaks from scrolling on the app to go outside, eat and drink, and to get some sleep when you need it. They also have quick tutorials showing how to report hate speech and harassment, choose who can comment on your posts, and more. We'd recommend following this page to keep up with the awesome tips and reminders TikTok is putting out. For even more tips and tutorials, be sure to check out our playlist of TikTok tutorial videos. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.